Yeah, you might be saying, hey, Joe, that's all fine and dandy. You make it look kind of easy when you do electrical stuff, but I'm not an electrician. Well, neither am I. I know how to do it. I'm not a professional licensed electrician, but hey, if I can install this light fixture, so can you, okay? And you can, it'll be basically the same process if you're installing a brand new one, but I didn't need a brand new one. This one was still pretty good, so when I took it down, I was careful with it. Made sure I cleaned that all out. Mommy cleaned it all nicely. And usually you can figure out how to get something apart. I wasn't quite sure how to get that off. And finally I figured out you unscrewed it onto here, and it was up there for 15 years. It had never been touched to my knowledge because it was so hard to unscrew. But I got it. Okay, so before I get up there and do anything, I want to make sure this light switch is turned off. And did you know sometimes electricians or homeowners, when they reinstall a light switch, they might not know what they're doing, and sometimes it's very simple to get this upside down, okay? And I'm pretty sure this one's right side up, but I can get up there and undo the wire nuts. I mean, I could take this off too, and there should be a little thing up here that says top. You know, if it's top here and you have to look at it backwards, upside down, then obviously you know this is backwards. Okay, so you could do that, but I'm gonna get up there and I'll undo those wire nuts, and I'll be real careful. I've got a little wire tester in here somewhere. Where is my wire tester?